Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for visiting. We are at the brand new Durango Casino and Resort. It is beautiful from what I've seen in the renderings, and now it's gonna be our first time going in. We're gonna take you with us. This is the second day it's been open. So here we go. We are in the hotel part of the casino, and it is beautiful. I mean, this is the actual hotel lobby. Here ahead of us, we have the check-in. It's stunning. It's just stone and warm colors and bright and happy. Very calm. I want my house to look like this, but I feel like I can't afford it. So. Inside the Bel-Aire Lounge, I do believe. Checking out restaurants. One of them is called Summer House. We're a party of 3 today. They said a 45-minute for a walk-in because we did not make a reservation. I didn't know any of the restaurants that were here. I purposely did not really do a lot of research. So that's not too bad for the second day. So the hostesses said to try the jalapeno cornbread as one of the appetizers, and so we went ahead and ordered that. They also said all of the tacos are delicious. We ordered ahi tuna tostadas. We ordered the crispy fish tacos and the margarita pizza. Dinner was fantastic. A lot of small bites and very fresh and light food, very California style. So now let's go check out the rest of the casino. I don't think I've ever seen this amount of slot machines packed together. It is a lot. We haven't really made our way in yet, but it's slot machine heaven. So if that's your thing, come here. We're in front of the Eat Your Heart Out food court. They have a lot to choose from. There are lines around the corner for a lot of the different restaurants. If I want to go to a food court, this is probably the one that I would pick. It's got burgers, pizza. Of course, you can say, oh yeah, regular burgers, regular pizza. No, this is good stuff. Okay, we're in front of the Sportsbook right now. Okay, now let's go check out the George Sportsmen's Lounge. I like the name because I'm Christy George. final first impression, it's a beautiful casino. Warm, cozy, inviting colors. It's happy. I really suggest coming. I would love to stay here for a staycation. Come enjoy the Durango Casino and Resort. Thank you for watching. Toodaloo, y'all.